Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Adrienne, aka What My Kids Won't Eat. I am the mom of two extremely picky eaters, and today I am bringing you my spicy summer corn salad. This is part of a barbecue side collab hosted by Tamara at Southern Wife Everyday Life. I will have her channel and the playlist linked in my description box below. Here is a look at my ingredients. You will need 4 ears of corn, 1 red bell pepper, 1 red onion, both small diced, some ranch seasoning mix and all-purpose seasoning. This is butcher seasoning, but use whatever you have on hand, and some salsa. This is homemade, but like I said, whatever is in your pantry will definitely work. I have brought a large pot of water to a boil and I'm adding my corn. I will cook this for 2 minutes and 30 seconds and then I will take the corn off the cob and I'll show you guys what I do next. I've heated my cast iron skillet over medium heat and added 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and then I'm going to add my red onion, my red bell pepper, and my corn, breaking it up as I go, and then I will saute this down for a couple minutes and I will add 1 teaspoon each of my ranch seasoning mix and my all-purpose seasoning. After my corn has developed some nice color, I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of this salsa. It's quite spicy, so if you guys like spicy, add more. If not so much, maybe 1 tablespoon would work. And then I have some chives from my garden, and I'm going to sprinkle those on top for a really nice pop of color. And then alongside it, this is our dinner. We're having some roasted bell peppers and then some flank steak, and we served it with some mashed potatoes, and they were absolutely divine. And that's it. Thank you so much, Tamara, for hosting. Be sure to subscribe. I would love to have you be a part of my YouTube family. I hope everybody is staying happy, healthy, and safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.